Got guests coming over and only 10 minutes to spare? Don't panic, there's a simple routine to make your home look instantly cleaner. Here's how to do it fast without scrubbing every corner. Grab a basket and toss in any visible clutter. Fluff pillows, fold blankets, and straighten furniture. This creates an intentional, organized look in seconds. Wipe down counters, tables, and bathroom sink. Clean surfaces instantly make everything look more polished. Replace bathroom towels and close the shower curtain. Smooth out your bed for a clean bedroom look. A made bed transforms the entire room instantly. Take out small trash bins to remove odors. Visible garbage is an instant mood killer. Sweep or vacuum the entryway for a good first impression. Finish with a fresh scent candle, spray, or citrus simmer. In just 10 minutes, your house goes from messy to presentable. Try this routine before guests arrive to save time and stress. Too busy to clean or want the whole house handled at once? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6000-332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com because your floors and your home deserve to be Beary Clean.